The NIA and the ED have levelled a slew of charges against the Popular Front of India in their remand reports submitted to multiple courts in India on Thursday, ranging from allegations of conspiring to establish Islamic rule by committing terrorist acts as part of violent jihad, creating enmity between different groups, encouraging Muslim youth to join terrorist organizations such as the Lashkar-e-Taiba, Islamic State and Al-Qaeda, to collecting funds through underground channels. On Thursday, in a coordinated operation across 15 states and one union territory, NIA, ED and the state police forces carried out simultaneous raids across the country that began around 3 am and continued till 2 pm. Haryana farmers who had blocked a key national highway for over 21 hours demanding early procurement of paddy have lifted the blockade after the state government relented. The protest had caused huge traffic disruptions on National Highway 44 around Kurukshetra. The state has now said that it will start moving all paddy stored in grain markets, though official purchase documents will be processed on October 1st as announced earlier. Gurnam Singh Charuni, whose organization Bharatiya Kisan Union Charuni was leading the protest, said it's their headache now where they are going to store it. He added, the state has also increased the cap on procurement in 5 districts that see high yield of the crop. Uttarakhand is in a state of shock since yesterday when the murder of a 19-year-old girl at a resort owned by a BJP leader's son came under spotlight. The body of the girl was found near Chilla Canal on Saturday morning. The teen, identified as Ankita Bhandari, worked as a receptionist at Vanatara Resort in Yamkeshwar block of Pauri. Vanatara Resort in Rishikesh, owned by Pulkit Arya, son of former Uttarakhand minister and BJP leader Vinod Arya, was demolished following the orders of the Uttarakhand CM PS Dhami. Pulkit Arya was arrested on Friday following suspicion that he, along with his employees, murdered the 19-year-old in the Pauri district of Uttarakhand. On Saturday, India called out Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif for making false accusations against India during the address at the 77th session of the UNGA. In a fresh row between the two countries, India slammed Pakistan for sheltering terrorists behind the horrific 26/11 Mumbai attack and accused it of sponsoring cross-border terrorism. The first secretary of the Indian mission to the UN, Mihito Vinito, chastised Pakistan Prime Minister on Saturday for making false accusations against India. Responding to Sharif's "We look for peace with all our neighbors" statement, Vinito said that a polity that claims it seeks peace with its neighbor would never sponsor cross-border terrorism.